good morning, good evening, every time you guys watching this video. It's your boy Bruce. Today, guys, the Tacoma's gonna haul my new project car that I said it was coming to the channel, guys. It's finally gonna happen today. The guy got the pink slip in, so all I gotta do today is sign, give cash, hopefully walk out with the keys today. So we're gonna see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. Listen, guys, just got the car on the trailer. First time ever doing it. You're gonna see it at the end, guys, when I finally reveal the car. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, in case you guys wonder what I got that GTO. Joke. I got the Acura RSX, the Tacoma right here. Towed it perfectly. There it is, guys. All its glory. Running down. Before I do any major work on this car, body work first, but this is the project car, guys. So if you guys have any ideas, or know about the car, comment down below. But it's a project car, guys. More videos to come for that in the Tacoma, guys, so stay tuned. I'm at TTS to get it all checked out. Stay for the video when I drive it home.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call
Cool. Inside the RSX, guys, check this out. Definitely gotta change the seats. That's gotta go. Steering wheel's gonna be changed. There's gonna be a lot of money thrown into this car, guys. Good God. Ugh. But that's what a project car is all about. Alright, guys, I'm back here at home base. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. Thank you so much, man. I've been waiting long enough to get this project car as it is. And if you guys have an RXX and have any, ideas or whatever, just comment down below, let me know. Email me, follow me on Instagram. Instagram do kind of get the inside scoop first, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow down, link down below. And definitely I want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 300 subscribers. I know it might not mean enough to you guys, but it means a lot to me. It makes me keep going and doing things that I'm passionate about. Thanks to you guys, I keep doing it. Hey, 500. If you guys get me to 500, I will do a giveaway. And then get me to 1,000, I'll do another giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Let's get to 500, guys. If we got 300, we can get to 500, guys. Let's do it. Everybody stay blessed. Thank you so much for the support. And don't forget, man, like, subscribe, comment, share the videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.